Fire in the hole! Let's cook some bison burgers!
Not another bison burger.
Not another bison burger.
De novo, o cheeseburger do Bison.
What? Another bison burger? Fire in the hole!
What? Who said that? I already said fire in the hole. Anyway, yeah, let's get some bison burgers on here. What do you think, Booger?
Bison burgers again?
Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you here today is I've got some bison. And this is Nature's Rancher bison. And this is bison raised with no antibiotics, no added growth hormones, always vegetarian fed. And I like that they feed vegetarians to the bisons. I think that's a good use for them. It's paleo friendly, gluten free, no lactose, 90% lean, 10% fat. There's nothing like bison, nothing better than bison burgers. So let's, I'm gonna put together some bison burgers right here. What do you think about that, Lassa?
Bison burgers again?
Yes, bison burgers again. Yes, we don't have them that often. Alright, the bison meat is in my bowl, and one of the reasons I wanted to cook bison today was to showcase my Root Boy Rub #1, which I formulated for beef and bison. So we're going to slather down some Root Boy Rub #1 in this bison meat. And this is good stuff, and let me tell you what. If you'd like to try some Root Boy Rubs, I will pick out 2 lucky subscribers who leave a comment on this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll send you some of my Root Boy Rubs to try. Oh, that smells good already. That stuff smells good. And you can go over and see Ken from Heavy Metal Barbecue. He did a review of my Root Boy Rub #2 on some chicken. But this was the one I formulated for bison and for beef. So we got some good bison meat here, and we're gonna wrap this up inside that meat real good. Then I'm going to take and make these into balls because we're making smash burgers. So I want to wrap them into balls about that size of a ball of meat, kind of like that. It's kind of a not quite softball, but not a little bit bigger than a baseball size of meat. And then we'll get them on the grill. First I got to cook up some bacon, so stay tuned. I've got some Black Forest bacon on my ballistic griddle. That's some really, really good bacon. It's got a lot of meat, if you can see it. It's really meaty bacon. It's going to be great on these bison burgers.
Bison burgers again?
Oh man, Christy, not you too. Alright, well let me get this bacon cooked up and then we'll get our burgers on the griddle. Stay tuned. That Black Forest bacon is done. We're going to get that off the grill and put that aside. That's awesome. That's some awesome bacon right there, boy. Black Forest bacon. I've never had that before, I don't think. Okay, and even though there's plenty of bacon fat on the griddle, we're still going to throw down with some Sang stir fry oil because we love the flavor of Sang stir fry oil. Plus, it'll keep our burgers from sticking to the griddle. Very important. Now, a little trick I like to do when I'm making bison burgers.
Sal, bison burgers again? That's just crazy, man. Come up with something new, bro.
CJ, I couldn't hear what you were saying when the blender was running, but I think it was rather negative of you to say those things, but anyway, you know, hey, bison's good stuff, man. You got to give it a try. So what I like to do, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, is throw down a piece of bell pepper that I sliced up and some onion right in the middle of the bell pepper and grill that up a little bit. Once the pepper and onion have got a little bit of cook on them, I'll take a spot of bison, stick on there, get my parchment paper, get it on there, And we'll give it a smash. Smash her down with my spatula and my rolling pin. Ah yeah, that's the sound of love right there, boy. I ain't lying. You hear that? Oh yeah. That's a bison burger right there. Now let me get that flipped over and we'll get some cheese on it, so stay tuned. Alright, it's time to flip that thing over and get some cheese on it. So let's get a flip on that. Oh yeah, don't that look good? Got that veggies in there. We got some chipotle cheddar. I'm going to put a couple of slices of chipotle cheddar on there. We're going to get that cheese all melty. Then we'll come back and we'll build this burger. What do you think?
What? Another bison burger?
All right, well, yeah, we don't have them that often, do we? Red? I don't know. Well, anyway, that's what we're making, so stay tuned. All right, let's put together this bison burger. I got a nice toasted brioche bun, and on the bottom of that, I'm going to put some of this. This is bacon aioli that I also got over at Aldi's, and this stuff looks good. I haven't tried it yet, but we're going to put some of that on the bottom of the bun. Spread it out good on there. It's bacon flavored, so I don't think it really has any bacon in it, but it looks kind of good. It's a great idea, isn't it? Then we're going to throw down with some butter lettuce on there and a nice slice of tomato, and it's starting to come together now, right? Let me get my bison burger on there. Got my bison burger with the chipotle cheddar cheese on there. We're going to put a little bit more of that bacon aioli on top. And this is what makes it a jalapeno crunch bison burger, is we've got some of these crispy jalapenos that we're going to throw on top. And that's going to give it a crunch. Those are deep fried crispy jalapenos. Maybe some more of that? What do you think? Oh yeah, that's good stuff. I'm going to close that puppy up, take a glamour shot of that, and then we'll go get a beer and taste this burger. What do you think, Tango Joe?
Oi, bison burgers? Again?
All right, there's the Frosty Root Boy mug. You know, Diane gave me that. You know, you don't know Diane. Anyway, yeah, that's my mug. Here's today's beer. Look, you know who gave me this beer? My buddy Tango Joe gave me this beer. It comes to some Mud Shark Brewery, Full Moon. I gotta tell you, when I saw this beer, I almost flipped. This is Full Moon Orange Wheat, and it's 8.5 alcohol, and it's brewed with wheat and barley, and also it's got coriander and orange peel in it. So I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to pour this out and give it a sniff and take a taste. Oh man, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, hazy, look at that. Look at that beer. Look at that beautiful, hazy beer. Oh my goodness. Made in the sun, made with the sun. This comes all the way from Arizona. Tango Joe, I don't know how to thank you.
Oi, bison burgers? Again?
Well, thanks anyway, Tango Joe. You didn't have to say that, but anyway, yeah. That's some amazing beer. Look at that beer. It's a beautiful orange-colored hazy. What is that? It's an ale, right? Yeah, it's an ale. Okay, 8.5 ABV. Let's sniff the sniff off it, Lassa. Oh man, it smells great. You can smell the orange and coriander in it. Let's take a taste of it, Lassa. What do you think?
Bison burgers again?
Lassa, we're talking about beer. Forget the bison burgers, okay? Let's take the quaff off that. Wow. Tango Joe, I can't thank you enough for this awesome hazy orange wheat beer, Full Moon, from the Mud Shark Brewing Company. Awesome, awesome beer. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for all you do. All right, let's get this Bison burger over here and let's tear into that puppy. What do you think, Dan? You like Bison burgers, don't you, Mr. Sanguinary?
Brain, brain, brain.
Igor! Tired of brains. Brains again.
Brain.
We need bison. We need bison burgers again.
Yes, I figured Professor would be tired of brains by now, so let's get I gotta get the hunch going here for a bite of this jalapeno crunch bison burger. Look at that puppy. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Oh, man. And you know what? That bacon aioli is good stuff. And those crunchy jalapenos are awesome. That is one awesome burger. CJ, I don't care what you say, CJ. Bison rocks, and we all know it. So hey, that's my video, babies. I want to thank everybody who helped me with this video today. A bunch of great people, fellow YouTubers. I'll put a list in the description of everybody and their channels. And I want to thank Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue for doing the review of my rub. He liked it, and I'm glad he did. And who else can I send you over to? I don't know, I'll think of something. Anyway, that's my video. That's that beautiful beer. Look at that beer. It's a hazy, it looks like sunshine. It tastes great. I'm loving it. Thanks again to everybody who helped me with this video. Come back next week. Oh, wait a minute. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go open the iCard and subscribe to whoever I put up there. Go down in the description and subscribe to all the people down there. Red Banks, Booger, the Air Fryer Queen, Christy's Cooking Channel, Lass's Cooking and Barbecue, Smoky Goodness, of course. Who else we got? Oh, Tango Joe. I think that's all of you. I don't know, I hope I didn't leave anybody out, but if I did, I'm sorry. And check out the description, you'll see everybody down there. Oh, CJ. CJ's Cooking. Go check out CJ, even though he said all that crap about me when he had his blender running. Go check out CJ. Subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to me. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but if this bison burger is anything as good as this bison burger, I don't know what it is. All right, babies. We'll see you next week. Bye.